Why is bookkeeping important for your business? So bookkeeping in itself is not a fun task, right? You can buy all the accountant software in the world. And the issue that you'll have with accountant software is that you still have to do the work, right? Even with the automations that some accountant software now, where it'll categorize stuff and so much for you, you still have to go in and reconcile and make sure that the categories are correct, make sure that your expenses are going where they're supposed to go and your income is going where it's supposed to go so it can reflect correctly on your P&L. And that's where having a professional bookkeeper is important, because your professional bookkeeper will save you that time, that 10, 20 hours a week that it might take you to go through your finances and go through and comb through everything and make sure everything's categorized correctly. And once it's down to a science, it may only take 5 to 10 hours a month for them to go through everything, make sure that all your financial reporting is accurate, make it easier for you to look at your P&L and know, hey, this month was a win or this month was a loss. How do I change my business strategy in such a way to make sure that next month is a win for me? Also, accurate financial reporting means that you can look back at each and every month and you can know when you had your better months and when you had your worst months. Because knowing and being able to do what we call forecasting, what is a good month of the year for my business versus what is a bad month of the year for my business, is important. It helps you say, hey, I need to reduce payroll during this time of year, or I need to reduce certain expenses that are variable during this time of year. In other times of year, maybe you need to buy more inventory. Maybe you need to hire more people so that you can increase sales. Accurate financial reporting, bookkeeping, helps keep you on track and helps you maintain and know what you should be doing, when you should be doing it from a financial data perspective. So make sure, right, as a business owner, your job is to execute on your vision, run your business, and build your business so you can buy real estate just like me. Follow, like, and subscribe for more.